Hello everyone, tonight I wanted to bring to you my 2 Kilo Kit with Style October. I'm very excited about this because I have decided to challenge myself and use one of my paper pads that I bought on sale. I think I got it from Hobby Lobby years ago. I was going through my room, cleaning up, getting ready for this month, and I noticed that I have 64 paper pads that I don't even look at. I don't even touch. So my goal is to use all 48 sheets this month, along with my Secret Not Secret kit and Kill a Kit with Style leftovers. Whew, say that 3 times fast. They have been piling up on my desk, and I keep saying I'm going to use them. I have scrap paper or scraps from my layouts as well, but I want to go through first the leftovers, and then I'll go through the paper pad, and then I have some ideas on how to use this paper pad up, because some of the paper in that paper pad I wouldn't use on one layout, let alone 2 layouts, and I normally scrap 12 by 12s. So I had to come up with some different ideas on how to use that, and I've been thinking about it yesterday and today, so I want to share that with you as well. So these are the leftovers. So I have 2 doilies. I just have a little bit of ribbon left over. I do have a lot of letters, and my problem is I get the letters and I use them for 1 or 2 layouts in the month, and then I go into my stash for different letters. So I want to, like, see this one, I only used up a few. I didn't even use any of those up on that side. And I was excited to get those, and then I didn't use them. Same thing here, didn't even use any of those. I did use a few of these. These I liked. I used these up. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the word with it, with this letter, and then maybe finish it with just a different variety. Or maybe I could alternate throughout the word depending on what I use it for. But hopefully I can use that up, because I don't want to waste them. These are just pretty much standard, but I have all varieties. I have, those are the large chalkboard stickers or letters. I have a large variety, so I think I'll be okay as long as I don't go into my stash, and I can use these up, or at least most of it up. So that's my goal on the lettering. Then I have the sticker pack I got last month. I used 1 out of 419. This is the Amy Tangerine sticker pad, and they're great stickers. I just didn't use them, so I'm going to use that up. Some word stickers. I only have a few of these left to go. Some enamel dots. These, I was with my travel. I'm not sure where I got these, but they fell apart. So I think I only have, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of the 8 yet to use. And those are all usable. They're all generic. I can plop those down on any page. I only have 3 of these to go. Didn't use any of this. Here's some gold stars I used. This was from my travel, my trip to New York. This was a sheet. So I think there was 2 or 3 sheets that had all cut aparts on for simple stories. I cut this up last night, put it in here. Gonna get that used up. Here's one of the frames. I used the pink one, and I have the green one left to use. These I think I'm going to put on tags and use them on craft tags, because they looked really good with those, along with layouts. Some Secret Not Secret, I'm sorry, yeah, Spiegel Mom scraps. This came in my Secret Not Secret Kit Club. Some of the sequins, I used part of it, never finished using it. This was something that we made for one of the challenges. We put down branding strips, and then we cut it. Still have the circle left. I left it on my desk, haven't used. These are 2 stickers that I have left over. I believe yeah, there was 4, so I used half the package of this. This, I think I only used 2 of these. This was in one of my 2 Kilo Kit with Style, so we can use those up. Just some random enamel dots, some more sequins. I used some on 1 page. I haven't used it since. The hearts I thought I would use all over my kit. Last month I used probably 5, if that. This was from my kit last month from Secret Not Secret Kit Club, and I used about half of this. This was, and I think I can use this up this month. I think I can make this go away. These are my tags from last month. I did not use any of them. You can back these with different color paper. They have different sayings on them. Life is great, some flowers, you know, feeling it, different things like that. These are just some random pieces that were on my desk, once again, from my kits, and I put them in the bag to use those up. Chipboard, I did pretty good with that. I only have these two. They're pretty full. Some of it looks like I used them, but I just put them in the packet. So hopefully we can get those used up as well. This is a 6x6 paper pad that I need to make go away. Put it to good use. Some more sticker sheets. Word stickers, phrase stickers. Didn't use any of that. The craft. This is from Shine On. I did not use the craft as much as I used the colored Shine On ephemera at enamel dots. Some more of the tags. And so every month we get mixed media with our Secret Not Secret Kit Club. So I also pulled all of my mixed media out that I got with my Kit Club. So I want to at least use this on one page, each item or project that I use. So this is Ranger Gold Metallic Paint Dabber. This is a metallic texture paste from Heidi Swap. This is the acrylic paint from Brie Reese. Delusions paint. I don't think I even use this, to be honest with you. Here is some watercolor stickers that I haven't used one, and here is my watercolors that I haven't even opened yet. So I really want to start using this stuff because I see everybody make these pages using the mixed media, and they're awesome. I mean, I've dabbled in it a little bit, like the inklings I've used changed. This is Coral Reef, to change letters or highlight like a tag or something, but that's it. I haven't really used it. And then I have the Vicky Bouton, I have the gold glaze and the iridescent glaze. Haven't used either one yet, so I want to use that. And then these are my stencils that I got. This stencil I have not used. I like it. Not sure how I'm going to use it. Anybody have any ideas on how to use it? Let me know. This is 3 Vicky Bouton stencils. I have used this. I've used all 3 that are in here, but you know, then I put them away after I use them once, and it's like it's old and I don't use them. So I want to go back to it, and I wanna keep using them, continue to use them in different ways. I also went through my scrap basket and I picked out some scraps that will go with the paper pad that I picked out. Here's my paper pad. It's scary. This is Honey Chic Stack, and it is 48 sheets, half with glitter. It is very loud. Not sure why I bought it. It was probably because it was on sale and it had a few sheets of paper that I liked in it. I did use this paper, so I added 2 of these because each design has 2 sheets to it. So I replaced it with that because I really want to do the 48 sheets. I want this whole paper pad to go. So black and white. And then here is She Wholeheartedly Believed That She Could, and she did. So I might just back something with these, or I might cut these out and use these words. Not really sure. Tone on Tone Glitter Circle Paper, lime green. This is a nice diagonal stripe. This paper scares me. It's a pink glittered lightning bolt, zigzag. What does it say? Don't take my sunshine away. So that's the song. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. So I like that. I do like this paper. Nice floral. This is a off-white and gray design. Purple with some arrows going through it. Tone on Tone. I like this paper. Curious how I'm going to use it. I don't mind a lot of color and geometric shapes. I like working with patterned paper, so this one I really like a lot. This is another scary one for me. I'll probably just back some photos with it. This one I'm excited to see what I'm going to do with. Easy black and white polka dot. Not a fan of this one. I'm not a fan of this one. This grid paper, I'll probably use Project Life cards because I am going to mix some Project Life pages in with my 12 by 12 pages. That's part of how I'm going to use this paper pad. I do like this a lot. This has the glitter. It's very bold, but I like the black with the pops of color throughout it. This is the glitter triangle. It's like a teal, more to the blue side. And then these cut aparts. Once again, can back photos. May be able to cut this part out and then just use this. Not sure what I'm going to do with these, but I am definitely going to cut them out and use them up. Can I take this side of the paper and use it as backing as white paper? I could do that, but that's against my rule. I really want to use the pattern paper. I don't know why I want to challenge myself this way, but so I am definitely going to use the pattern side. This is tone on tone triangle. Oh, look, more cut aparts. And oh, there's only one sheet of that. And then black with the wreath. So that is my paper pad. And then some of my ideas that I have, I thought that my family, my daughter, my husband, and I decided that October 1st, we are going to get healthy. So we're working out, we're trying to drink water, try different meals. We're going on a weekend hike, vacation. So I'm going to document a traveler's notebook. I've never done traveler's notebook. I got this at Joann Fabrics. It's Webster Pages. It was clearance. I think I got two of these books, and I think I got them for like $2, $3. So I'm going to start my traveler notebook experience with this first to just get the look, feel, maybe take some sketches, some 12 by 12 sketches, and then minimize it and put it in here. And so I'm kind of excited about that. I probably won't do much mixed media on that because the pages are not that thick. I may try maybe 1 or 2 gesso, but we'll see. And then the other project that I thought, like I said, some of that paper is scary, and I wouldn't want to put it on a 12 by 12 layout. So my daughter, she's 16. She's going to be going off to college soon. So I thought, and we do like to cook. We do like to eat. I thought that I could take some of our favorite recipes and I could make her her own cookbook. So when she moves out, that's something that she could take. Maybe put some stories in there. And I thought that that would be just a really nice gift for her. She may not take it off to college, but if I create it for her when she moves out on her own, she'll have that. And I thought that that would just be a nice sentiment. And I can see myself cutting down some of those pages for the 8x8 and using the scraps and some of the stickers and the cut aparts. I think that that will work out really well for that. And then I'm going to do the 12 by 12s and I'm going to do the pocket pages. So wish me luck. Oh, wait. Oh. I also have washi tape and a little bin of wood, flares, and acrylics that I need to use. So I think that's pretty much it. So wish me luck, and I will be back beginning of November, and hopefully this stack won't be so large. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy your evening. Bye.